SRK has been away from the big screen since 2018. But after a break of almost 2 years, we hear that the actor may be all set to don the grease paint again. लगता है आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग हाइटियस फ्रॉम द बिग स्क्रीन शाहरुख खान लाइट्स और कैमरा के सामने आने के लिए रेडी है. SRK's next is going to be Rajkumar Hirani's comedy film, which is going to be based on a socially relevant topic on immigration from Punjab to Canada. इसके अलावा शाहरुख has also given a green light to a film being made by Raj and DK, which is going to be a cool action flick. बस अब लॉकडाउन के उठने की देरी है. According to the grapevine, SRK will be working on a film with Rajkumar Hirani that will see him play an immigrant who moves from Punjab to Canada. And like all Raju Hirani films, this too will be a social comedy based on the issue of immigration. SRK, who has been busy with his production house and making web series, took a sabbatical from acting after the commercial failure of his ambitious project Zero. SRK, who played a dwarf in the film that also starred Katrina and Anushka, decided to be very careful with his next film choice and has spent over a year and a half reading scripts before choosing to be a part of Raju Hirani's film. We hear कि उन्होंने राज और डीके के साथ एक कूल एक्शन फिल्म को भी ग्रीन लाइट किया है. And hopefully he will start filming for both from August. Shahrukh, who has a cameo appearance in Ranbir and Alia's Brahmastra, will be going back to Punjab for his project with Raju Hirani because the story is about a happy-go-lucky man who moves from Punjab to Canada. A source close to the project has revealed details about the film and shared. Like all Raju Hirani films, it revolves around a serious, globally relevant issue and is treated with gentle humor. The story moves between Punjab and Canada. This guy is jovial, he'll make you laugh and get emotional. Shahrukh is growing his hair for the part. However, the film also requires a long outdoor schedule abroad. बट ये तो इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल रिस्ट्रिक्शंस लिफ्ट होने के बाद ही पॉसिबल हो पाएगा. फिलहाल फिल्म के राइटर्स कनिका ढिलन, अभिजात जोशी एंड राजकुमार हिरानी स्क्रिप्ट को फाइनल टचेस दे रहे हैं to make sure that it is the perfect project for SRK to appear in after a very long break from the big screen. We hear that SRK has also decided to be a part of a cool action flick being made by the duo Raj and DK, who have given us Hatke films like Stree and Go Goa Gone. इन दो फिल्मों के अलावा SRK will be playing a small role in R. Madhavan's Rocketry as a thank you to the actor who played a cameo in the film Zero. It's good to hear even rumors about SRK's comeback, and his fans are super excited and waiting for official announcements. After all, SRK को हमारे दिलों में रिप्लेस करना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है.